Welcome everyone to the OSG Connect login tutorial using PuTTY. The method that we'll be showing you in this video is applicable for Windows only, and the steps for this method are: create a public and private key pair in PuTTYgen, and then upload the public key to our OSG Connect profile, and then log into the OSG Connect from PuTTY. So first, let's create our public and private key pair in PuTTYgen. Let's go to the PuTTYgen. I already installed that, downloaded that from PuTTY website, and this is the PuTTY key generator. And make sure before generating the key that the RSA option is selected. Now we just click generate, and we need to move our mouse over here so that the key can be generated. Keep moving. Okay. And as we can see, a key has been generated. Now let's give it a passphrase for the key. Passphrase is almost like a password that we'll be using every time we log into OSG Connect. So I just provided my passphrase, and then I'll save the private key. So let's just save the private key. Give it a name. And save. And we also need to upload our public key to our OSG Connect profile. So for that, we'll right click on the key, public key area, and we'll just copy the key, the public key from here, and then we just need to go to our OSG Connect profile page. Let's go into our OSG Connect profile page. So this is my OSG Connect profile page. I am under the profile pages, update profile tab, and in here we can see that we have a box for SSH public key. So the key that we copied, we just paste the key over here, and then just click update profile. And it usually takes 15 minutes to an hour for the key to be updated into our system. So after uploading our key and waiting for 15 minutes to an hour, we should be able to log into our OSG Connect profile. For that, we need to use PuTTY. So let's go back to PuTTY. I have already downloaded PuTTY from PuTTY's website. Let's open that. And we need to provide the location of our private key before we can log into OSG Connect, and we can do that from SSH section. So just expand that, select the authentication tab, and in this tab we need to give it location of our private key. So this is the key that we created, the private key. So just give it the location, and then go back to session. For hostname, type in our username @ the login node that we have been given access to. For my case, it's login05.osgconnect.net, and then click open. And it will ask for our passphrase, the passphrase that we provided when we're generating the key. So give it the passphrase, press enter, and we have successfully logged into our OSG Connect profile. And if we just type pwd, press enter, and we see that a directory has been created, a home directory with our Unix username. And that's all for this video, and please be sure to visit our support page. It's at support.opensciencegrid.org. We have many other information and documentations. Thank you.